Lisbon, a city of stunning history, vibrant streets, and delightful cuisine. From ancient monuments to the melodies of fado, every corner tells a story. In this video, we'll be exploring the top things to do in Lisbon and hidden gems that make Lisbon one of Europe's most charming and vibrant capitals. So grab your pastel de nata and let's embark on a journey through the heart of Lisbon. Number 1. Belem Tower. Our first stop is the iconic Belem Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Lisbon's most iconic landmarks. It was built in the early 16th century to defend the city from invaders and to serve as a gateway to the Age of Discovery. The tower is made of limestone and marble and is decorated with elaborate carvings. The carvings depict nautical motifs such as armillary spheres, ropes, and anchors, as well as religious symbols such as crosses and the Virgin Mary. Visitors can climb to the top of the tower for stunning views of Lisbon and the Tagus River. The tower also houses a small museum with exhibits on the history of the tower and the Age of Discovery. To get there, catch the iconic tram 15 from the city centre to reach this historic landmark nestled on the banks of the Tagus River. Number 2. Jeronimos Monastery. The Jeronimos Monastery is another UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Lisbon's most beautiful buildings. It was built in the 16th century to celebrate Portugal's role in the Age of Discovery. The monastery is a masterpiece of Manueline architecture, a unique Portuguese style that combines Gothic and Renaissance elements. The monastery is known for its elaborate carvings, which depict nautical motifs, religious symbols, and scenes from Portuguese history. Visitors can admire the monastery's stunning interior and exterior, as well as its cloister and church. The church is home to the tombs of King Manuel I and his son, King John III, as well as the Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama. The best way to reach Jeronimos Monastery is on foot from Belem Tower, enjoying the scenic walk along the river. Number 3. National Palace of Pena. The National Palace of Pena is a fairy tale castle located in the town of Sintra, just outside of Lisbon. It was built in the 19th century by King Ferdinand II of Portugal and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The palace is a mix of architectural styles, including Gothic, Moorish, and Manueline. It is decorated with brightly coloured tiles and features a variety of towers, turrets, and balconies. The palace is surrounded by beautiful gardens, which offer stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Visitors can explore the palace's interior and exterior, as well as its gardens. The best way to reach National Palace of Pena is to take a train from Lisbon's Rossio station to Sintra and then hop on a short bus ride to reach this fairy tale palace. Number 4. Padrao Dos Descobrimentos. The Padrao Dos Descobrimentos is a monument dedicated to the Portuguese Age of Discovery. It is located on the banks of the Tagus River and offers stunning views of Lisbon. The monument is made of limestone and marble and features a statue of Henry the Navigator, the Portuguese prince who is often credited with launching the Age of Discovery. The monument also features statues of other Portuguese explorers, such as Vasco da Gama and Bartolomeu Dias. Visitors can climb to the top of the monument for even better views of Lisbon. The monument also houses a small museum with exhibits on the history of the Portuguese Age of Discovery. Padrao dos Descobrimentos, located near the Jeronimos Monastery. It's best reached by a leisurely walk along the riverfront. Number 5. Pasteis de Belem. A visit to Lisbon isn't complete without trying the famous Pasteis de Belem. This bakery is the birthplace of Lisbon's iconic custard tart, the pastel de nata. Pasteis de Belem are a delicious Portuguese custard tart that is said to have originated at the Jeronimos Monastery in the 18th century. Today, Pasteis de Belem are sold at a small shop next to the monastery and are one of Lisbon's most popular tourist attractions. Visitors can watch the tarts being made and purchase them fresh from the oven. Pasteis de Belem are made with a flaky pastry crust and a creamy custard filling. They are typically dusted with cinnamon and served warm. Number 6. Praca do Comercio. Praca do Comercio is a large square in the centre of Lisbon. It is located on the banks of the Tagus River and offers stunning views of the city. The square is surrounded by important buildings such as the Lisbon City Hall and the triumphal arch of Rua Augusta. The square was once the site of the Ribeira Palace, which was destroyed in the 1755 Lisbon earthquake. Visitors can enjoy a walk around the square, have a coffee or drink at one of the many cafes, or simply admire the views. Praca do Comercio is easily accessible by metro. Get off at Terreiro do Passo station and walk into this historic square. Number 7. Santa Justa Lift. Our final stop is the Santa Justa Lift, an elevator that offers a vintage ride and stunning views over the city. The Santa Justa Lift is a neo-Gothic elevator that was built in the late 19th century. It connects the Lower Baixa district with the Higher Chiado district and offers stunning views of Lisbon. The elevator is a popular tourist attraction and can get quite crowded, so it is best to visit early in the morning or late in the evening. The Santa Justa Lift was designed by Raoul Mesnier du Ponsard, a student of Gustave Eiffel. It was built in 1902 and is one of the oldest elevators in Lisbon. To get to the elevator, take a short walk from Rocio Square. Lisbon is a city that comes alive with its delicious food, rich culture, and vibrant nightlife. From the bustling streets of Alfama to the charming waterfront of Belem, there's something for everyone in Lisbon. If you're a foodie, Lisbon is a paradise. From the Michelin-starred restaurants of Rua das Flores to the traditional Portuguese eateries of Alfama, you'll find something to tantalize your taste buds. And don't forget to try the famous Pasteis de Nata, a delicious custard tart that's a Lisbon specialty. When the sun goes down, Lisbon's nightlife comes alive. From the trendy bars of Bairro Alto to the lively clubs of Cais do Sodré, there's something for everyone to enjoy. And if you're feeling adventurous, be sure to check out one of Lisbon's many festivals, such as the Festa de Santo Antonio in June, or the Rock and Rio Lisboa Festival every other year. And be sure to catch a fado performance, a traditional Portuguese music genre that's sure to move your soul. No matter what time of year you visit, Lisbon is sure to charm you. With its delicious food, rich culture, and vibrant nightlife, Lisbon is a city that has something to offer everyone. And there you have it, our exploration of the captivating city of Lisbon, Portugal. Whether you're drawn to its historic landmarks, winding streets, or vibrant culture, Lisbon has something to offer every traveler. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Goodbye and see you in the next video.